today I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your Xbox to your keyboard and, oh wait, it's the other way around. How to connect your keyboard and mouse to your Xbox One, 1S, or 360, so let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your Xbox and you're going to launch up Fortnite. Once Fortnite is launched up, you're going to go onto your Xbox store and you're going to search up for the game called Xbox Insider Hub. Once it pops up, click on Xbox Insider Hub and download it. Once the game is downloaded, you're going to go onto where it says Insider Content, and then you're going to scroll to the right until where it says Xbox One Update Preview. Once you're there, it's going to say Join. You're just going to press Join, and then it's going to ask you to accept something. After that, it should say Pending. Don't worry about this. Get out of the application and go back to Fortnite. Once you're there, turn off your controller and everything connected to your Xbox, and then plug in your keyboard and mouse to the back of the Xbox on the USB spots. If your mouse and keyboard is wireless, some of them are supported for the Xbox 360, and all you have to do is go to Bluetooth, pair the Xbox mouse and Xbox keyboard, and you're good to go. That's gonna wrap it up for the video. If you did enjoy, make sure to drop a like. If it worked, make sure to subscribe. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.